Here is the new Vornado box fan. I did want to show you the amount of wattage it uses. That is on low. I believe that's medium. And this is high. It is built very, very solidly. I like the cord keeper on the back here. And this thing weighs a ton compared to the normal Lasco box fans. And it is touch control. It does go back to the way it is. The only other thing I could think to test here is if you unplug it from the wall, whether it would come back. And it does not, so FYI, if this thing gets shut off here, you will have to manually turn it back on. So, thought that was worth mentioning.